I am making roast sticky chicken in our Dining on a Dime Volume 1. Oh my goodness, this is such a yummy roasted chicken. All right, got my chicken for 97 cents a pound today. So this is one of my favorite recipes to make. So what I do is I 10 times the recipe, and then I just put it in an empty spice jar, which I've got one right here, and I'll just put it in an empty spice jar. Oops, empty out my dill. And then I won't have to keep making it over and over again. All right, there's my salt. Then we got our paprika. Then my cayenne pepper. And my onion powder. And garlic powder. And I don't have any white pepper on hand, so I'm only going to use black pepper. Then I just stir it up like this. Then I just pour it in my empty container and mark it. Whoops, I should have done that over the sink. Oh well, live and learn. Then I'm going to take my onion. Now you can do onion or orange. I'm doing onion right now since we're eating our oranges. And guys, here's a little tip. If you store your onion in the refrigerator, you won't cry when you peel it. See, I'm not crying. Because the onion gases fall down from being cold instead of going up to your nose, okay? All right, so then I am going to put my onion inside the cavity of my chicken. No, I do not wash my chicken because all it does when you do that is splats germs all over your kitchen, and you don't want that. Okay, that onion's a little large, but that's okay. Our Dining on a Dime cookbook is on sale, 50% off for Mother's Day right now. You can get tips that will help you save money on your grocery bill, recipes that your family will love to eat. Click the link in the description below to get this sale today. Okay, now I did this wrong. I should have put the spices inside first, and I didn't, but that's my fault. But just rub it all over your chicken. Turn it over. Get it all nice and covered. Okay, then we've got the breast side down. So all the juices run into the breast. We're going to restuff the onions in there. Whoops. Oh, yum. And this is going to be so good. Okay, I'm just going to leave a couple of onions around the edges. That's okay. Now we're going to put this in a 250-degree oven for 5 hours. And then I know everybody's going to talk about me touching my spices with chicken goop hands. I just take some bleach water and just wipe off everything that I touched with the raw chicken. Okay, so we're going to get this in the oven. Roast sticky. Right there. All right, I have a little bit of juice here, so I'm going to take and baste my chicken. Now, I did want to make a batch of cookies, so I popped the temperature up to 350 degrees so that my chicken, or so that my cookies could cook. It's not going to affect my chicken. It may get done just a little bit quicker. I'll just turn it down to low, like 170, if it gets done too soon. Okay, so I had it at 350 for about an hour while I was making some cookies. So you can see how yummy and delicious that is looking. So now it's about an hour till dinner. So I'm gonna turn the heat down and let it just stay warm in the oven. All right, and here is the roast sticky chicken. Oh my, doesn't that look delicious?
Even more importantly, doesn't it smell delicious?
Does it smell delicious?
Smells delicious.
Okay, now let's see. Oh yeah.
Yum.
Let's see. Look at that. Falling apart, yummy goodness. All right. Wait, did you just sneak a bun? So how's it taste?
Amazing. I'm a garlic lover and it's definitely garlicky.